Hey guys, thanks for purchasing this product. This will help you download with your download files that are over 20 megabytes in size. Okay, so let's get started. So I'm presuming you've already downloaded it. So when you click on your PDF, it should open like that, and then press Control 0 and you see the whole thing, and then you see that I put my details there, so in case you have any trouble, please contact me. Alright, so click on the icon below, which is Canva. Canva is the one we'll be using for this template. So yeah, here are the templates you can use, you can choose from. You can customize them, but they already have themes. So yeah, let's get started. I'm presuming you don't have a Canva account yet, so we're starting from the beginning. If you do have a Canva account, then just go straight to Canva. Right, so I'm signing in. Yeah. Alright. Sorry about that. Okay, so hey. So the template goes straight to Canva. You can skip the tour. You don't really need it. I'll tell you what to do. Okay, so this is the area for the logo. But choose your template first. Which one you want, which one will fit the look of your shop, I don't know. It's really up for you to decide. So, like it dark, light, whatever. So, yeah, just choose the one you want to use and we can start. So, I'll choose this one for this demo. So, change the logo or put in your logo, sorry. So you can upload it here. Upload your media. I made up a mock-up logo for this demonstration. So yeah, sorry. Just let it. You just open the folder, appropriate folder for that. Alright. Okay, so test. Yeah, fake logo. Okay, just click on it as soon as it's uploaded. Then you can just resize it. If you click on the diagonal thing on the corner, it will resize it to proportion, to the right proportion. Okay, so just fiddle around with it, size it to the size of the frame. Or you can remove the frame itself. Just click on the frame and just remove it. Up for you to decide. Again, it's customizable. So yeah, you have your logo. So now you put in your name, your shop name. Pretty in pink. I haven't watched the movie, but it's this is a very pink template, so yeah, seems appropriate. Okay, so you can change any of the words here if you don't like them. This is just but you can leave it as is, no problem. So you put in your email so they'll know where to go when they encounter any trouble with your product. Okay, so you can put a link if you want to. Okay, Canva automatically makes it into a email link when you put in your email. I'll show you later. Okay, so yeah, just put in your email. Okay, the most important part of this is the zip file. So yeah, make sure you put in your download link. You have to have it prepared or just prepare it later. But now I have a mock-up link for the thing to put in. So just copy it and paste it into the form. Be careful not to make this, to put in only your link, so there won't be any error. You can test your link later anyway. So So, okay, so just check that there is a link. Yes, I use Google Drive. You can use Dropbox, I don't know, whatever you want. And then you take note of which template you chose when you download. I suggest you use a PDF because the link should work properly there. Yeah, PDF is okay, it's very light. And choose the page you want to download because you're going to use only one template anyway. So yeah, download it. Yeah, so yeah, it should be there in your download folder. Okay, so I suggest you change the title of your document, make it your own. So yeah, Pretty in Pink, download file. Okay, should be good enough. Whatever title you want for your document, doesn't matter. Okay, so click on it to test it. It's important to test it. Okay, so thank you, Pretty in Pink shop. Okay, zip. So there's a Google. You see that there's a link here. If you hover over the document, the link should come out. Also the email. Mail to means it's going to automatically open. This, click on the link, test it, and mine is set to download automatically. So that's the file we downloaded. So I hope this is clear. If not, I'm here to help you anytime. We just want to make this work for you. Okay, so that's all for now. Bye and enjoy.